Stocks in the deep. We have DHAI, MTC, ASPN, ACVA, and ACFN. DHAI down 62.58%, intraday low 0.68%. By the way, this is Thursday, the 6th of November, 2025. Okay, we haven't seen any news, any fresh news, but let's see, we might see some news here. While we're here, it's almost 10 times its average volume has printed so far. It's not optionable. Let's see 12 healthcare stocks moving in Thursday's pre-market session. I don't think they're going to write anything here. DHAI. Let's see. The company market. Okay, nothing. No news here. No news here. Let's see. Are they? How active is the market? Yeah, it is active. It is active. Yeah, it is active. You can see what's going on. People are wishing to participate. Aggressive hands are participating, and passive hands are also. I think they are. Are they finding their? Are they discovering? Yeah, they're discovering prices. They are discovering prices. Awesome, really awesome. Let's see. In any case, underlying trend strongly bearish. Okay, the stock is trading at a discount to all of its moving averages. So positions opened all the way back to 200 days ago are not in profit right now. Projections are saying, as things stand right now, $3.8. No guarantee it's going to print that at all. Previous projection is 5.46, 5.67. So this is a pivotal projection. If it retests 3.77, then there's a good chance it might test 4.7. But the odds of it testing or retesting 3.77 is it's a tall order. Even though statistically the probability is very high, the probability that it will retest 3.77 is statistically very high. But at the same time, it does not mean it's going to happen at all. Doesn't mean it's going to happen. Let's just quickly glance at its 4-hour chart. Okay, yeah, lower prices are expected to remain in place up till the close of today's trading session, and after that, it may bounce. So the extrapolation is saying that yeah, there's a cap on the any bounce it may have. There's a cap based on this extrapolation. So it's even if it bounces, it may continue to contract the consolidate going all the way towards the 17th of November. Yeah, you can see the interaction of the extrapolation of its 40 period moving average and the 10 period moving average is giving us that indication. Here, okay, let's see what we have here. This is $1.82. Okay, so it's just at this is also a critical support as well. If it holds it, then there's a good chance it may bounce. Yeah, momentum is the algos are saying it may pick up momentum. If the bounce may hold, but not with momentum. Momentum may pick up just when it may have peaked. Okay, so caution is warranted. Caution is warranted. This bounce that is expected to play out. The algos, well, actually, there's momentum is actually picking up, but not as high, not as high. So, but yeah, momentum is not just modestly expected to pick up. But in any case, we'll see how it goes. It's a mix of things. It's a mix of things. Nothing ambitious is expected to come up, given the contraction that has been extrapolated. This is also just an extrapolation. There's no guarantee it's going to happen that way as well. MTC down 38.58%. Let's see, MTC, is it, what do we have here? Very fat chart, fat bars. MTC, okay, yeah, so underlying trend strongly bullish or just going neutral, just neutral now. Yesterday it expanded. Yesterday it expanded. It's contracting that expansion. The algos are saying, okay, you may still maintain some of the strength by up till Monday, up till Friday. So okay, and it's just saying that it's going to trade within the space, within this wedge, if you like. up till the 17th of November. So it might be a volatile session, but with a contraction, with a contraction, uh, playing out. The contraction may come to an end by the contraction may come to an end by the 21st of November, then attempt to expand again, and then contracts go into a distributive contraction after that. So it will invert from a bullish volatility to a negative volatility. Yeah, these are just extrapolations. Okay, so it's expected that within now, at least in the interim, at least up till the Tuesday, it's expected that it may still remain volatile as well. But it may still remain volatile, but trading within this that tight range. So prices expect to be within this space here, within this space. So including to the upside as well. Projections are currently saying nothing to the upside, but yesterday it had an intraday high of $3.2. Yeah, yeah. Here we have what we have here. We have 2.21. Okay, the probability of it retesting that is not there at all, but it's also before it tested that it was also not there. The probability was also very negligible, but it still did so. Yeah, it went from a 52-week low to that high. Something really dramatic happened yesterday. So momentum is this extrapolation is being also validated by the momentum is saying that it's expected to momentum is expected to even continue to increase, expected to continue to increase up till Friday. So maybe we're not out of the woods. We're not out of the party is not over yet. It may not be over yet, but this is just an extrapolation. It could be totally wrong as well. It could be totally wrong, but the momentum is expected to begin to decline from Monday the 10th and completely collapse. Yeah, by that day, by Monday. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Is there any news for nothing? No fresh news. But okay, but just caution is really warranted with some of these stocks. Caution is warranted. I don't think this is the best time. I don't, even though it has pulled back, caution is still warranted. Even though the extrapolations are saying it's going to remain volatile up till Friday. Let's see how the stocks are moving. Oh my goodness! Look at that! Look at that! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! This is highly active. 27 million shares, more than almost close to 4x its average volume. It is explosive here. It is. Look at that! And people are discovering prices. It is the aggression is the aggression is there. Bearish aggression is there, but at the same time, it's liquid. People are discovering prices. You can clearly see that as well. Yeah, fascinating stuff. ASPN, ASPN down 36.71%. Okay, let's see whether we have any news. Okay, ASPN Aerogels reports results for the quarter ended 30th September earnings summary. Let's see what we have. Reported quarterly adjusted loss of 8 cents per share for the quarter ended September 30, lower than the same quarter last year when the company reported EPS of 19 cents. The mean expectation of 8 analysts for the quarter was a loss of 3 cents per share. Okay. Revenue fell as well, 37.8%. Okay. Revenue down, and earnings down as well. Not good news. Okay. So underlying trend, strongly bearish. Okay. So the extrapolation is saying that lower prices may continue to print. It has a wide range of prices. Wide range is expect the stocks. It expects the stock to trade within at least going all the way towards the 17th of December. Okay, so lower prices expected to keep playing out then, But in any case, rebound is saying 6.94. You can't rely on that. You can't rely on that as well. A bounce in momentum is expected to kick in, but no, nothing really. You can't rely on that as well. It's just saying that at some point its 10-day moving average will catch up with it. We'll keep on we'll catch up with it, and it may go above it, but not it's not anything optimistic. Nothing. Yeah, it's just a brief reflexive bounce that is being extrapolated towards the end of November. ACV ACVA. Let's see what we have. It's blank. ACVA down 36.99%. Okay, so here we have a wedge has been formed. It's been formed. So a contraction is expected to play out. Okay, so the decline is expected to remain in place at least up till Monday the 10th of November. Then after that, consolidation and contraction may play out, going by the interaction of its 40-day and the 10-day moving average, and maybe seeking to converge, yeah, towards the middle of December. So momentum is expected to keep declining, and may start to pick up from the 19th of November. This is probably when the 10-day moving average would have, because the stock is expected to be consolidating. Then the 10-day moving average would catch up with it, and the stock will just move above it. Well, it may provide a trading opportunity. So if this turns out to be true, if the stock is optionable, then it might provide some opportunity for some sort of option strategies and stuff like that. Let's see now. SCVA. Do we have any news? Okay. Q3 2025 revenue rose 16% to $199.6 million, but net loss widened due to a one-time $18.7 million provision. Okay. Yeah, ACVA. Let's see. Is it optionable? It's not optionable, so nothing there. Okay. It's almost double its average. ACVA. Let's see how they are trading the stock. Yeah, it's quite decent, quite active as well. Yeah, people are discovering prices as well. Yeah. ACFN down 30.24%. Okay, ACFN hasn't been around long enough. Okay, short-term bearish trend. Short-term, medium-term bearish trend. Short-term bearish trend, yes. Projections are currently saying 26.42, 27.73, 28.53. Let's see what the news is. Reported Q3 2025 financial results. Reported a net income of $252,000, or 0.1 or 10 cents per diluted share, compared to 725,000 or 29 cents per share in the same period last year, despite a decrease in total revenue by 18.8% to $2.48 million. The company achieved a 31.1% increase in monitoring revenue, reaching a record of $1.5 million. The gross margin improved to 7.85%, up from 71.77% in the Q3 of 2024. ACFN, let's see what we have. Okay, not not many shares have crossed the tape. Yeah. Okay, just have a look and see what you make of these stocks. And thank you very much for watching this video.